In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade options on IBKR Mobile. So the first thing you want to do here when you open up your app, you want to go ahead and click on the trade button at the very bottom middle over here. And when you're in here, as you can see, it says toolbox at the bottom. You want to scroll down and there's a bunch of different buttons over here. And one of them says options chain just below the buy order where there you can see the blue button, okay? So click on the options chain over here and it's going to prompt you to actually go ahead and search for stocks, ETFs, and more. So we can select whatever you want. Here, I'm just going to go for what I've recently searched, which is Tesla, but of course you can do whatever you want. Go up top and just type in whatever you want, like TSLA, there we go, and you can go ahead and find it and just click on it, and it's going to open up here the options chain, or of course the options for that specific thing you selected. So over here, usually it will take a few seconds for this to populate. There we go. As you can see, everything has been updated, and over here, it's actually very simple. You can go ahead and just select the option at first, so we can just tap on it like that or like this. Of course, you could put more at once if you want to. I'm just going to select this one, and then of course if you want to do any further things, up top left, as you can see, it's like going off. There's like a circle. You can go ahead and click on that just to the left of where it says January 16th 2026, and then it says 6 days, and to the left of there where it's blinking, you can click on that, and when you actually tap it, you'll be able to see the option settings, and in here you can set all the different settings regarding your options. Okay, now when you're done, click on done at the top right. Okay, and that's very cool. Now you can then go ahead and again select the option you want to get. I'm going to select this one, and when you click on it, you want to basically tap at the bottom right where you can see it says order $15. Now of course you could also click on see quote. So as you can see at the bottom, like just at the bottom, it says see quote. You can tap on that as well, and it's going to basically show you this over here. If you're interested in more, you could just go ahead and read everything over here. You could see your chart. You could go ahead and scroll down and basically ask different things to the AI bot, etc. And then I'm just gonna go back over here, and as you can see, I can now go and tap on order at the bottom right. And when I do this, it's going to basically open up the order. So it says buy order. And then here you can set all the different things. You can see the information of what you're actually getting. And then here it says quantity. You can go ahead and basically select the quantity that you want. So I'm just going to do, let's just do 2 for now. And then the order type also has to be set. So you could do limit, or if you tap on that arrow at the right, you can see you have a bunch of different orders you can do. I'm going to do market for this instance. And then here you can do time in force. You could do day or good till cancel. Now, of course, you could go ahead and add attach or bracket orders. You could do one cancel another's order conditions. You can ask iBot. There's a bunch of different things you can do, but if you actually just want to trade, you can go ahead and slide at the bottom. So it's going to say slide to submit buy. I'm going to slide this to the right over here, and there we go. There we go. As you can see, it says order submitted. It's going to give me a notification that basically your order will not be placed at the exchange until the 12th of January 2026. And that is because right now I am basically outside the trading hours, but no biggie. I'm just going to press OK over here, and the order is going to go through whenever the time hits. Okay. Now I did this on my simulated account over here, so using paper money. But of course, if you're using your real account, you'll be able to do this the exact same way. So then just tap on done at the bottom and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.